Alright, shalom, shalom. I'm just trying to get my computer here. Getting ready for a long drive. So Shabbat Shalom, Shabbat. And the surprise is we're going to the snow today. We're going to go up in the mountains. And we're going to go into the snow. And we're going to praise and worship there. And we're going to have our Torah study there, our Parsha. And my puppy. And my dog, she used the restroom, doing her business again. Out here, my little Caleb, little poopy. So we can take that long drive. Not real long. Let's say long drive, like 45 minutes from where we're at. But we're gonna go up and have a bunch of brothers and sisters gonna meet us up there. And so we gotta make sure everybody's dressed nice and warm. Okay, it's cold right now, and there's still snow on the ground, so it's a good thing. So if hopefully I'm gonna try to go live from up there. I'm not sure how the internet's gonna be. Hopefully I'll be able to stream live. If not, I'll record it and I'll post it later on. But we'll do the best we can. But either way, if you're gonna be with us, well then bless you. And if you're somewhere else celebrating and worshiping and praising and studying, well then bless you there too. And maybe one day we'll all get together and we'll all be able to praise and worship together. That's one of my goals, is to get a whole bunch of the Father's children together and just go out and praise Him. Go out and worship Him, bring each other together. So there's something about this Torah portion that the Father showed me that I'm going to share with everyone up there. A lot of it has to do about us coming together. So looks like everybody's getting ready. Everybody's ready. Looks like you're ready for that snow up there. Yeah, I got one. I'll be in there right now. So daughter is jacking. Anyway, so bless you all. Just a little short video. Shabbat Shalom. Come on, baby. We're going to go up there. So be careful if you're coming up. Roads are icy. We're going to try to get up there as early as we can, and that we can get down before sunset. Because after sunset, it really gets cold, and the road's going to ice over, and you have to. You might have some black ice and stuff you got to deal with. So we'll see. The Father will bless us, take care of us. I have some new brothers and sisters that have been listening, watching, have been contacting me. Bless you. And there's some people from around the other side of the world that are listening right now. I didn't know that until last night. I was going through some different things, and when I saw some things, I was like, oh wow, you know, in different places in Africa, and what's the other place they're from? Oh, Australia. So there's some awesome things going on. The Father's getting the word out. You know, we teach a little different than a lot of places. You know, there's like hardcore Christian believers, and they're beautiful and they're awesome. And you got hardcore Messianic Hebrew believing people, and they're awesome and powerful, and the knowledge that they have is great. But there's a wall that's been built up there, and I'm trying to tear down the wall without tearing up people, if that makes any sense, because that's not what we're called here to do. And if we can lock arms and join hands and embrace one another and fight the real enemy, man, what a powerful force we can be. And so we're going to get into that later on. We're going to find out what happened with Joseph and his brothers, what the whole conclusion of the matter is, and one big thing that people miss: what is the Father looking for? All right, so praise the Father, not you. Praise the Father, bless you. I'm trying to walk here, not trip, but we'll see you up there in the mountains. Shabbat Shalom.